to 820 Dawsons Park Way. This awesome 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as granite countertops and stainless steel appliances inside. It's located in the Dawsons Park subdivision in Lexington, just a few minutes from downtown Lexington, and convenient to I-20 as well. So we're out front. See, the house has an attractive facade with the stacked stone accented exterior, and you have some vertical paneling or siding there as well. You have a nice size 2-car wide driveway and a 1-car garage with carriage style door. And you have a covered front porch here as well, and a very attractive entry with the windows around and the front door itself. So we'll step inside. So again, you notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the downstairs area. As you come in, you have a nice foyer here with crown molding. And again, you can see nice natural light coming from the windows above and around the front door. The entry hall has a half bathroom off of it. You can see here. So you have a pedestal sink and shower, and commode in here. And then you have an arched opening going through to a couple of other doors just flanking the hall coming in. Coat closet on your left. Access to the 1-car garage, as you just heard. You have a vehicle parked inside for scale right now. It's a smaller, medium-sized SUV, just to give you an idea of what you would be able to fit inside. And then just beyond there, you have another just small pantry or storage space or closet, however you want to use that. Open floor plan, a living and dining area with the living room to the right here with a ceiling fan, a couple of nice sized windows letting in natural light, and all open to the dining area and the kitchen as well. You can see the dining area has nice modern lighting with a chandelier, some nice pendant lights over the counter bar as well. It's a high bar, room for a couple of stools, and you notice the light colored granite countertops, dark wood cabinets, and stainless steel appliances that are included. There's a side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top electric range, above range microwave, and also a dishwasher. You also do have recessed lighting and some built-in speakers in here, which are controlled via USB and just the auxiliary connections over there. And you can see this small counter space. And then outdoor space, you have a small fenced backyard. As you can see, you have a patio back there, and then you have a little bit of grass around it, but that is fenced in. So a nice low maintenance space off the back. And then some more closet space over here. So a lot of closets sort of off of the living space downstairs that you can never have enough of. Bedrooms and the other bathrooms, full bathrooms, are upstairs, of course. Carpeting starts on the stairs and continues throughout, I believe, with the exception of the bathrooms and the laundry room up here. So you can see a nice size hall. As you come up, you have 2 doors off of it that are both both linen closets, right and left there. The master bedroom is here. You can see you have a box or tray ceiling in here, the ceiling fan, also a walk-in closet. And then you also have a full bathroom with double sinks, granite countertops in here, and then you have a nice size walk-in shower. There's a window over there as well. And 2 bedrooms additionally, as well as a second full bathroom, which also has double sinks and granite counters. And then you have a tub and shower in this one. And then bedroom number 2. facing the backyard, both of these. And you can see I have a closet here with 2 doors. And 3rd bedroom. In the closet there, and you do have a 2nd shelf and hanging rack up there also. And then last but not least, the laundry room, where you have full-size washer dryer connections, a door that closes that off, and some shelving that sort of runs along the length of that as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Address again is 820 Dawsons Park Way in Lexington. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.